welcome back to my channel. My name is Candace, aka Diamond Candy, and if you are new here, please make sure you hit the subscribe button. I promise you will not regret it. And if you are a loyal subscriber, thank you so much for returning. You are a real one. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how I get this cute little goddess braid. It's real cute or whatever. I'm so excited. It turned out really good. This was my first time trying it, and it's really quick and really easy. So if you are interested, then make sure you keep watching. Alright guys, so my hair was in like these flat twists, so it's all stretched out and whatnot. So I'm just going to take it down, spray it with some water, and then moisturize it with my 𝗍𝗍 leave-in conditioner, and then seal that in with the 𝗍𝗍 hair and scalp oil. Now I'm going in with this 𝗧𝗍cie glue gel and a paddle brush just to make sure my hair is super smooth. And after that, I go in with my EcoStyler gel and a soft brush just to smooth it out even more. And I just make sure the ponytail is where I want it and it's as high as I want it. And then I go in with my headband as my hair tie and put it into a nice ponytail. Let me run your bath water, whatever you desire, I aspire, sing you a song. And then I'm just gonna take some more of the leave-in conditioner and just pull my hair into a bun. And then I go in with this KeraCare Healthy Edges just to smooth down my hair even more. And once my bun is nice and smooth, I'm gonna grab my Bobbi Boss Kanekalon and I'm taking 2 packs, but I'm only using 1.5. So I'm taking half of 1 pack and then combining that with the other pack and tying them together using a hair tie. Then I just attach the ponytail to my bun and start braiding the hair. I'll still be here for you. Let me cater to you, 'cause you're beautiful. I love the way you are. And once my hair is braided, I just flip it over, tuck my bun inside, and use a pin to pin it down. And this part is optional, but I actually went back and undid the braid and pulled out some pieces while I was braiding just so I can have the nice goddess look. This is a technique that I saw on YouTube, so I'll leave the link to her video in the description box. And then to curl the pieces, I'm just using this purple flexi rod, one for all the little goddess pieces and then one for the bottom of the braid. And I just microwave some water for about 3 minutes until it was like boiling, and dip the flexi rod in it for like 20 to 30 seconds, and then immediately just take out the flexi rod and voila. Lastly, I just tucked these pieces of hair to make them fall where I wanted them to, added some gold cuffs, and that was the end of the look.